All the resellers showed up to the same slim picking auction. But you can always find something, and we filled our car for only $24.
Back red bitter rocks.
I kind of forgot I was recording. Well, I mean, I forgot to record.
Oh, okay.
I'm like, oh yeah, that's why that's in my pocket. There's my wife.
Yeah, well,
Where the hell she's been?
she was over cussing your name under her breath.
You know, she doesn't bother hiding it.
I don't care who hears. I just realized why I couldn't see anything.
I saw them on top of your head and your sunglasses down.
Yeah. I'm like, I was getting really mad. Like, tires go off on all that thing. I don't know.
She's got this prescription. Where the hell aren't they for?
That's for fancy folks.
That's right. Insurance, we don't use no stinking insurance.
It's a beautiful setting out here.
It's really pretty out here. It's a nice property. I almost wish I could live in the house.
Go for it. Real man would. There's ones, you know, the goose ones I use?
Yeah.
There's ones like that over there, but they're white-tailed deer.
Oh, I sold some of those. I had those at one time. What is that? That's one called.
Home interior.
Yeah.
Nature's Way, a porta potty with a view.
God, my nose is starting to get clogged up already. Here's this one cool too. Oh, that's sexy.
That's if I keep my head down, but I don't. I know I've been. I don't have a competition Kathy for the $1 bid. Kathy, I'll get. She's still so she's joking up that stuff. It's so funny. I had to run with some crazy French. Just try to clear up.
Oh, yeah, no, if you're
Oh, you're right. Oh my God. You know, that first time I ever played it, first game, I said, I'll pay you right now. Oh, yeah, that was the first 2 weeks. Really? Oh my God. Oh my God.
How you doing?
Good.
Good to see you.
First time in a while, huh?
No kidding.
Gets to be a lot of work. Speaking of which, when are you gonna do your next garage sale at Crazy Frank's?
I don't know.
The flea market day?
Probably. Me never. If I can get Kathy to go, it could be every weekend, but I don't have any interest to go up there. Hey Chuck, how you doing?
I'm good. How you doing?
Good.
I needed you the other day.
Today would have been a good day. My family interested. Yeah.
Back road bitter.
Oh, hi.
We both decided there's not much here.
Yeah, I think that's what everybody's saying.
Gene Simmons figure in the middle.
Yeah, we'll
Red oil in it. Make it look like real.
Well, yeah, you might get lucky.
Oh, I got half mine gone.
Slim Pickens is right.
Joe, $2 on number 24 on a boat. Yes, there's the glasses they all been waiting for. $4.90, good glasses right there. The lights and hold it up there in the air. Four good glasses right there. $10 bill for them. $10, 12 and a half. 12 and a half. 12 and a half. What am I? Go over there, go over there, go over there, go over there. Anybody want to go over there? $11, man. 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 14, 15, 15, 15,
Are they men or women? Are they men or women?
$16 on 5, isn't it? 5. Is that right? 5. Number 5.
The hell was that?
From Disney.
Oh my god.
And Blue's Clues?
Blue!
Aww.
We're taking all this?
Mind your business.
So after the auction, Marcy wants to come to one of her favorite thrift stores, and it's downtown Mineral Point. The problem with that is downtown Mineral Point's all tore up right now. The roads are just shredded. I'll show you. I don't know if you can see that. Both ways. We got a carload of glassware, and I'm driving about 4 miles an hour through town. How'd we do today, Mars?
We did done.
We did good?
We did done.
We did done. We spent $24. $24. We got quite a load. Like half of this load was free stuff that we grabbed at the end. We paid $7 for 2 lots. Everything else was $1 lot. Not a great auction, but we came out ahead, right?
Yes.
We got a dirty Furby. All the plush that you see, we paid nothing for. Nobody wanted it. There's interesting stuff. Chuck E. Cheese, Bart Simpson, this Furby. I don't know if that counts as plush, but we got Dipsy and Poe, the big ones. The problem with the plush is they're all really dirty. Oh, here's Poe. Oh, hi, I'm Poe. Barney, Christmas Barney, and non-Christmas Barney. This one our daughter had when she was little. All free plushes. Another Barney. We got Elf. 101 Dalmatians. I don't know, this one's got problems, but I think he's full of sawdust. So he's elderly. There's an Elmo in there. 3 Taco Bell dogs. 2 of them with tags. Monkey. Troll. The Mickey where you learn to zip and tie and buckle.
This was Chuck E. Cheese.
Yeah, you said it was a Chuck E. Cheese character.
I don't know what that was, but I thought it was unique.
Scary Cat. Simba.
The heck is what?
Simba's a kangaroo apparently.
I don't know what the deal is.
Looks like his mane is removable.
I don't know.
Simba wearing a toupee.
Yeah. Oh jeez, there's glasses in there. I've never seen this bear before, and the tag is, it's so old that the tag is like not any good anymore. It has
Simba
Mufasa.
or Nala. Oh. An eyeball.
That's, I think from, was it Hercules?
Perhaps. A brewer's bear. 4 very cool tumblers. They were free, but now we got 1 broken one. I thought if I stuffed them down under the stuffed animals, they'd be all right.
Nope.
Pink Ranger, 101 Dalmatian, Blue, Another elf. These little, we got these little cow. There's a cow and a donkey that are like, I forget what that's called, flecking or something. Powerpuff Girl. Another Powerpuff Girl. There's the donkey. Snoopy. Pikachu. Marcy found this hanging lamp for $1, right?
Yeah. But I think I can clean it up.
I got all these advertising yardsticks for $1. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them. I would sell them at our booth if we had a booth, but I don't have a booth. Marcy is pretty happy to get this vintage home interior stuff. It's owls in these shelves. There's some seashells in there too, which I don't think the seashells are home interior. What's this? Huh. Some kind of metal tray. Paid $7 for the pennants, for all these pennants. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. So that's $1 a piece. That one's not so great, but Rose Bowl champion Badgers, Super Bowl champion Packers. More Packers. Freaking neighbor. Packers, Packers, Packers. Got a ridiculous lot of refrigerator magnets. Some kind of cool ones. I think they collected them. Little Tupperware one, all kinds of them. Remember, but we got the old fruit ones. And pizza. So 3 flats full of them for $1. It's got these 2 copper canister sets, complete with lids. Those will clean up real good. These are probably trash. I thought these would be a quick sell. Yes, even the Budweiser. Old style. I mean, that's not big money, but quick 10 or 15 bucks maybe. These glasses, we've had good luck selling glasses like these. Mid-century modern. Great color. Got a bunch of these amber tumblers. And these different kind of gold amber tumblers. Some etched glass here. I don't know if that's worth anything. You know, a lot of times the clear glass isn't too exciting, but little, what are these, for pudding or something?
Yeah.
Some more of these. What did they call these?
Goblets?
That's what I call them. That's not, they were calling them something else there.
I don't know. I know them as a goblet.
Me too. Some funky mid-century ashtrays with deer and ducks and whatnot. Bookends there.
It's flocked, by the way.
Flocked.
Not flacked.
That's what those plastic things were. Some little knickknacks. Kids' character dishes. We got Chuck E. Cheese, Cookie Monster, Sesame Street, Rugrats stuff. Quite a bit of Rugrats. Lion King, Scooby-Doo. Kind of miss this tray. Some little Christmas shot glasses. Ooh, a Intimidator. Is that a Christmas ornament? Piston koozie. Whatever that is. Packer tumblers for $24. Heck.
No, it was fun. It was a fun day.
It was a fun day because it was kind of like a reseller rally.
Yeah.
Talking to all of our friends and competitors, and it was good.
It was nice weather.
Any last wise words? What was that?
I'm just tired.
As am I. Takes a lot out of you.
It does.
So thanks for stopping by. A lot of us avoided the other auction option. What the hell is that? I forget which. Oh my god, that's. She's been eaten. Cheap, cheap, cheap. So we talked to Hawkeye Mike one time, and now everywhere we go, he's just showing up. A little creepy. I'm recording you. Why did it freeze? Check it out, the timer's moving.
Weird.
What's he doing over there?
I don't know.